Jalandhar's resident Ajay Kumar escaped the fury of nature in Jammu and Kashmir but has brought tales of horror and depression with him. The survivor says he was lucky enough to have reached home and met his family members, but there are nearly 35 to 40 people he knows who are Punjabi cloth traders in Kashmir and stuck in the deluge. Ajay says he will not be able to forget the scenes of death and disaster that he saw in Anantnag where he was stranded. The survivor also said he wants government to help the people who are waiting for some relief to come their way.
We do the business of clothes in Jammu and Kashmir. Many of us go to Srinagar and do the business. I am an only person among 40-50 people who has safely reached Jalandhar. There is no information about other people. Government officials are visiting areas, but there are so many areas where no one is going to see the conditions. We are not in contact with them since last Sunday. There is no news on the television also. And there is no news about the area and about that colony where our people were staying. There is no arrangement even in Srinagar. Government has proved to be flop. No arrangements are being made by government. So many travelers are trapped in J&K and government is doing nothing for them. Communication is stalled and that is why everybody is tensed.
Meanwhile, the family members of the victims who are stranded in the flood-hit Jammu and Kashmir are living in utmost tension and the fear of bad tidings coming their way. Rajni, whose sister Raj Rani, brother-in-law and their children are stuck in the deluge, is crying her eyes out from the time she realized that all the communication networks have failed in the area where her sister lives.
We want nothing. We just want our family members back.
Another person who is waiting for his children to come back from Kashmir is Rajesh Vasil. He said his son and daughter, both of them newly married, had gone with their spouses to a trip to Jammu and Kashmir. Rajesh said his children are in a bad condition and all their money has finished. He added the government has not extended any help till now.
श्रीनगर में कोई व्यवस्था नहीं है, सरकार बिल्कुल बेकार साबित हुई है, सरकार का कोई बंदोबस्त नहीं है, इतने यात्री वहाँ पर फंसे हुए हैं कि किसी का कोई सरकार ने कोई बंदोबस्त नहीं किया है, किसी को निकालने की कोई व्यवस्था नहीं है। पूरी तरह संचार व्यवस्था ठप होने के कारण सभी उन जो रिश्तेदार हैं सभी यात्रियों के या सभी बच्चों के वो सभी परेशान हैं।
Powered by NNIS.